So I added something new to the Jeep for doing some photography or videoing as I'm driving. Check this. So I put this ball mount on the top of the Jeep so I can put my camera up there and I can swivel it around while I'm driving and I can use my good camera. Oh, look at this. It's 104 degrees out here today. All this rain, everything's getting green, flowers are coming up. It's absolutely stunning and amazing. All right, we are in a new camping spot. So we're at the end of February right now. And my Jeep's not fixed yet. Holy crap. It's been over 2 months now trying to get this thing fixed. It's a nightmare. So one of the issues I had when I was had it rebuilt 2 months ago, that the oil in the transmission wasn't that red. It was very weird. I couldn't get him to get back to me. Then he told me he put the ATF plus 4 in. There's no way that's at that color. There was no way it was that oil. So I did manage to bring it into a small little mechanic in a small town. And he had worked on Jeeps. So he dropped the transmission pan. And I just wanted him to check out the solenoid, which was hard for him to do, but he checked out the wiring, everything looked good. But his evaluation too is, it looks like he mixed motor oil in with the transmission fluid. So I'm trying to get rid of that. And then there's just trying to get to places. They're just kind of tell you to come here and you wait around for 4 or 5 days and then you get there and they don't have time or they gave you some kind of crazy excuse, yada, yada, yada. Hey, weeks have gone by doing this stuff. So we're at this new camp spot now. I got one more try I'm going to do. I'm going to bring it to this another transmission guy. And I just called him up. He goes, if you can get here 6 o'clock in the morning, hey, 6 o'clock in the morning. It's like, that's unusual, but I'm going to get there as fast as I can. Let's see. I just don't know what's going on with the transmission. I manually put a switch on there. It wouldn't go into lockup. Don't know if it's a wire or not, but let's see what this guy says. Yeah, I'm really at my wit's end with this transmission. It's got me so depressed and anxiety. I just want to get back on the road and start exploring again and having some fun. I can't tell you, man. So let's see what this guy has. I don't know. It's my last hope. And everybody says, oh, just buy another vehicle or something like that. But believe me, you don't know what it's like out there buying used. Used cars are now gone up so much, it's ridiculous, especially transmissions. I mean, especially Jeep Cherokees and like cargo vans. You gotta try to get a cheap cargo van. It's almost impossible because everybody's buying it because everybody can't afford living anymore in the United States and everybody's living out in the desert now, which is coming tougher and tougher. But anyway, let's see what happens with this guy. Stay tuned. Let's hope this guy has some brains and can fix it. So don't forget, never stop listening to rock and roll, never stop exploring, and we'll catch you on the next video.